पोरे शारदे वरदे देवी पोरे शारदे वरदे संगीत साहित्य कला प्रमोदे संगीत साहित्य कला प्रमोदे देवी पोरे शारदे विद्या देवते विद्या प्रदाते विद्या देवते विद्या प्रदाते विद्या माते मोदिते विद्या माते मोदिते देवी पोरे शारदे देवी पोरे शारदे देवी पोरे शारदे.
The lamp lighting ceremony marks the beginning of a journey towards brilliance and greatness. So let us begin today's program by lighting the lamp and seeking the blessings of Mother Sharada.
Jyotirparanjyotihi Deepajyotirjanardanaha Deepo haratu me papam Deepajyotirnamostute Shubham karotu kalyanam आरोग्यं सुख संपदः द्वेष बुद्धि विनाशाय आत्मज्योतिर्नमोस्तुते आत्मज्योतिर्प्रदीप्ताय ब्रह्मज्योतिर्नमोस्तुते ब्रह्मज्योतिर्प्रदीप्ताय गुरुर्ज्योतिर्नमोस्तुते.
An audience gives life to our words and actions. Providing the context and purpose, our expressions need to resonate and matter. With this in mind, I'm delighted to welcome you all. With proud privilege, I would like to welcome the respected principals and vice principals, with whose support and guidance, our school has been setting new standards of excellence. I welcome you all. I extend my heartfelt welcome to the teaching and non-teaching staff, who are the backbone of our institutions. Last but not the least, my special welcome to all the students present here. To begin with, I would request the students of class 10th A to captivate us with their dance on the theme One Earth, One Chance. That was truly an amazing performance. The earth has music for those who listen. May I request the students of 10th A to celebrate the gifts of nature with a melodious song.
नदिया
have damned you, jammed you, and dug holes into you. Allow me to nourish you. O rivers, we can never pay back the debt for all that you have done to us. Let me at least pay a small interest towards your well-being.
Thank you for such a soulful performance. It is said that pure water is the world's first and foremost medicine. But in today's world of acid rains, this medicine seems to be rare to find. So here we have the students of Class 10B with an energetic dance performance on the theme Stop Pollution, Stop Acid Rain.
बारिश का बोसा है, कोसा है, कोसा है, बारिश का बोसा है। जल 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 बहता जल। नन्नारे 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 गिरी गिरी माटी गीली माटी के चल घराते बनाएंगे रे। हरी भरी अम्बी अम्बी की डाली मिलके झूले झुलाएंगे रे। ढल बैजू गजने हल जोते सबने बैलों की घंटी बजी और ताल लगे भरने। रे तैर के चली मैं तो पार चली, रे तैर के चली मैं तो पार चली, पार वाले पर लेके नार चली रे। मेरा नन्नारे 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 नन्नारे।
Team of Class 10B to sing the Earth Anthem.
मेरे लिए है सारे नजारे, माँ की तरह ये धरती है प्यारे। पैसे न मांगे धरती हवा के, जो है यहाँ तेरा है। नीली गटारी आंखों है कोली, क्यों ना सुने तू बूंदों की बोली। तेरी तरह है तू ही बचा ले, जो है यहाँ तेरा है। रही रे भूमि बचा रही रे, बूंदे बचा रही रे, पौधे बचा रही रे। रही रे पाखी बचा रही रे, किरणें बचा रही रे, झरने बचा रही रे। पेड़ों की डाली झूला झुलाए, जो कहा माँ का लोरी सुनाए। आकाश नीला ऊंचा सनीला, जो है यहाँ तेरा है।
Past, present, future.
घने घने घोर कार छाए बदरा, धमक धमक गूंजे बदरा के डंके, चमक चमक देखो बिजुरियां चमके। मन धड़काए बदरवा, मन धड़काए बदरवा,
मन धड़काए बदरवा। काले मेघा पानी तो बरसाओ।
काले मेघा पानी तो बरसाओ। बिजली की तलवार नहीं बूंदों के बाण चलाओ। मेघा छाए बरखा लाए,
गिर गिर आए, गिर के आए।
What we saw just now was the past. There were lush green trees and plants everywhere back then. Then agriculture was the main medium for livelihood.
मैं तो बादलों से टूर जाऊंगी, मैं तो अपना ही सुर पाऊंगी। है जो क्रेजी क्रेजी सपने मेरे सारे चुन के मैं भूल आऊंगी। हमारा इस दुनिया की हुई नहीं, मैं अपनी दुनिया बनाऊंगी। कि जिंदगी मेरी सौ ख्वाहिशों, हाय कि जिंदगी मेरी सौ ख्वाहिशों, मैं पूरी करा। जिंदगी मेरी सौ ख्वाहिशों, मैं जीना मैं पूरी तरह, मैं जीना मैं पूरी तरह।
Soon, industries rose. Life did become a bit easier. Development spread fast. There was no turning back now.
है जो लहू मेरा बहता चला, देखो जुनू मेरा कहता चला।
मेरा बेगुनाह सहता, मेरा बेज़ुबां कब से, मेरा बेगुनाह सहता, मेरा
No pains, no fears, no shouts, no tears. I wanna make my life love peaceful and clear. Me, you, who wanna live here, so just let me be.
बेज़ुबां कब से, मेरा बेज़ुबां कब से, मेरा बेगुनाह सहता।
But then, at some point, things did turn bad. Major problems like overpopulation and pollution were quick to rise. Diseases spread like wildfires. People went crazy for power. Greed and corruption was quite common. Many animals went extinct. Birds no longer flew across the evening sky. Sounds horrific, right? I bet the dinosaurs thought they had time too, but in the end, they did not. There's no time like the present to make a difference. To the adventurers, to the pioneers, to the thinkers, and to the dreamers, to all of you, let us save the common ground that unites us all. Restore the land for the future generation. A tree begins with a seed. Generation restoration begins with you. And happy Environment Day and thank you.
Thank you, students. It was a mesmerizing performance. Now, I would like to welcome Anagha and Diya to tell us more about the importance of the day.
Namaste everyone. World Environment Day is celebrated annually on June 5th. Established by the United Nations in 1972, this day has become one of utmost importance in the present times.
World Environment Day serves as a global platform to raise awareness and drive action for the protection of the environment. This day emphasizes the need to harbor our planet for the future generation.
The significance of this day lies in its ability to unite people from all walks of life all over the world towards a common cause. Governments, NGOs, volunteers, business houses and individuals all unite in addressing the grave environmental issues. This day is marked with activities of tree planting, cleaning up our surroundings, having workshops to make the people conscious, and other initiatives to propel the world towards a cleaner future.
One of the most important issues of today is climate change. The phenomenon of global warming is by the increasing concentration of greenhouse gases and accompanying weather changes and distributed ecosystems is all for to see.
Of late, a crucial transition towards renewable energy sources, increasing energy efficiency, and governmental policies towards green fuels are being stressed upon.
Also, sheltering the biodiversity, decreasing human activities of deforestation and pollution, and the preservation of endangered species and natural habitats can be achieved through global cooperation.
One aspect which has gathered the most eyeballs is the subject of plastic pollution and microplastics in our food chain. On this day, individuals are encouraged to reduce the plastic usage and promote environment-friendly options. Community cleanups also play a crucial role in making our surroundings clean and tidy.
There have been many movements and awareness campaigns that have been put forth by India. Chipko movement, dated way back in the 1950s, carried out by the rural villagers, particularly women, was directed towards stopping the government from cutting down trees and demolishing forests for various reasons. Vana Mahotsava is yet another initiative, an annual tree planting festival that is celebrated in the month of July and that goes for a week. There were many other like the Save Silent Valley movement. The Silent Valley was an evergreen forest where a dam had to be built, but the people there were against it. The movement's success led to the creation of the Save Silent National Park. Education and awareness are also pivotal. Schools and educational institutions act a deciding part in cultivating the best practices among the younger generations. Integrating environmental education into the curriculum motivates the country's future generation to adopt safe and environment-friendly habits and practices.
World Environment Day 2024 focuses on land restoration, desertification, and drought resilience, addressing some of the most pressing environmental challenges of our time. Hosted by Saudi Arabia, the event underscores the urgent need to rehabilitate degraded lands and enhance resilience against droughts, which have become more frequent and severe due to climate change.
Now, we would like to present a reel made by our students over the topic Save Earth, Save Life.
Thank you. In conclusion, this day today, the World Environment Day, is more than just an annual celebration. It reminds us of the fragility of our planet and encourages us to create and aim for a healthier and a more sustainable future for all.
The best time to plant a tree was 20 years ago.
The next best time is now.
Thank you.
And a happy World Environment Day to all.
Thank you for the informative speech. Trees are the lungs of the world. You take care of them, they will take care of you. The students of class 10D are here to portray the wonderful act of the Chipko movement with the theme Conserve to Preserve.
बड़े गांवों में एक महिला पौधा रोपती और उसकी पूजा करती थी। यह पौधा उसके लिए आस्था का प्रतीक था। हर सुबह वह उसे पानी देती और पूजा करती। कई साल बाद वह पौधा एक बड़ा पेड़ बन गया। उसके नीचे बच्चे खेलते और गांव वाले आराम करते। महिला गर्व से पेड़ को देखती थी मानो वह भी उसके जीवन का हिस्सा हो।
रंगी परोड़ आवी खुशियों संगे लावी, हर खाए हयू हाय हाय, आशानी किरणों बिखराए उमंग भी छलकाए मन, हड़बे थी गुनगुनाए हाय 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 हाय। रास रचिलो साज सजिलो शुभ घड़ी छे आवी, आछा आछा टमटमाता शमणाओ जे लावी ओ लावी।
अडवाणी वन के मध्य में रेनी के ग्रामीण एक बड़े पेड़ की प्रेमपूर्वक देखभाल करते थे। अचानक एक लकड़हारा आया जो लकड़ी को काटने के लिए उत्सुक था। देखभाल करने वालों ने यह कहते हुए मना कर दिया कि वे पेड़ को परिवार की तरह मानते हैं। उनकी अपील के बावजूद लकड़हारा दृढ़ रहा, लेकिन अपने प्यारे पेड़ को छोड़ने के अनिच्छुक ग्रामीणों ने पेड़ को कसकर पकड़ लिया।
वो भी में से मुस्कुराता, वो भी है उसमें भी प्राण भरा, फिर भी मैं मूर्ख ही रहा। मैं छाया ढूंढन चला, मैं छाया ढूंढन चला, वहीं पे मैं
चिपको आंदोलन का समापन तब हुआ जब सरकार ने ग्रामीणों के अहिंसक विरोध के आगे झुकते हुए जंगलों की कटाई पर रोक लगा दी। इससे आंदोलन सफलतापूर्वक समाप्त हुआ और पर्यावरण संरक्षण की दिशा में एक महत्वपूर्ण कदम साबित हुआ।
Thank you for the delightful performance. The only way forward are going to improve the quality of the environment is to get everybody involved. I invite the students of 10th E to portray the unity required to protect the planet through their dance on the theme Conserve to Preserve.
ದಟ್ಟವಾದ ಮಂಜಲ್ಲಿ ಹುಡುಕೋಣ ಬೆಟ್ಟದ ಬೆಳಕು ನಡೆಯದೇ ಇರುವ ರಸ್ತೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ನಾ ನಡೆಯುವೆ ಪ್ರಕೃತಿ ಜೊತೆ ಒಂದಾಗಿರುವೆ ಜಲಪಾತ ಹಾಗೆ ಕುಣಿದಾಡು ನವಿಲುಗಳ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಹತ್ತೋಣ ಬೆಟ್ಟಗಳ ಮೇಲೆ ಪ್ರಕೃತಿಯೇ ಎಲ್ಲ ನಮಗೆ ಚಲಿಸು ಜಲಪಾತ ಹಾಗೆ ಕುಣಿದಾಡು ನವಿಲುಗಳ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಹತ್ತೋಣ ಬೆಟ್ಟಗಳ ಮೇಲೆ ಪ್ರಕೃತಿಯೇ ಎಲ್ಲ ನಮಗೆ ಹಸಿರು ನೋಡು ಎಲ್ಲ ಕಡೆ ಸಾಗರದ ನೀಲಿ ಅಲೆಗಳೇ ಕೆಂಪು ಆಕಾಶವು ಮೇಲಕ್ಕೆ ಸೃಷ್ಟಿಸಿದ ಪ್ರಕೃತಿಯು ಕಲೆ ಪ್ರಾಣಿ ಪಕ್ಷಿಗಳ ಸಂಖ್ಯೆ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಆಗುತ್ತಾ ಬಂದಿದೆ ನಮ್ಮ ನೆಲ ನಮ್ಮಾದರೆ ಕಾಪಾಡಬೇಕು ಈಗಲೇ ನಮ್ಮ ಜೀವ ನಮ್ಮ ಉಸಿರು ಪ್ರಕೃತಿಯಿಂದಲೇ ನಿಲ್ಲಿಸೋಣ ನಾಶವನ್ನು ನಾವು ಬೇಗನೆ ಬೆಳೆಸೋಣ ಮರಗಳನ್ನು ನಮ್ಮ ಭವಿಷ್ಯಕ್ಕೆ ಪ್ರಕೃತಿ ಜೊತೆ ಸೇರೋಣವೇ ಚಲಿಸು ಜಲಪಾತ ಹಾಗೆ ಕುಣಿದಾಡು ನವಿಲುಗಳ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಹತ್ತೋಣ ಬೆಟ್ಟಗಳ ಮೇಲೆ ಪ್ರಕೃತಿಯೇ ಎಲ್ಲ ನಮಗೆ ಚಲಿಸು ಜಲಪಾತ ಹಾಗೆ ಕುಣಿದಾಡು ನವಿಲುಗಳ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಹತ್ತೋಣ ಬೆಟ್ಟಗಳ ಮೇಲೆ ಪ್ರಕೃತಿಯೇ ಎಲ್ಲ ನಮಗೆ ತಂಪಾದ ಗಾಳಿ ತೇಲಾಡುವೆ ಮರೆತೋಗಿದೆ ನನ್ನ ಎಲ್ಲ ಚಿಂತೆ ನಡೆಯದೇ ಇರುವ ರಸ್ತೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ನಾ ನಡೆಯುವೆ ಪ್ರಕೃತಿ ಜೊತೆ ಒಂದಾಗಿರುವೆ ಜಲಪಾತ ಹಾಗೆ ಕುಣಿದಾಡು ನವಿಲುಗಳ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಹತ್ತೋಣ ಬೆಟ್ಟಗಳ ಮೇಲೆ ಪ್ರಕೃತಿಯೇ ಎಲ್ಲ ನಮಗೆ ಚಲಿಸು ಜಲಪಾತ ಹಾಗೆ ಕುಣಿದಾಡು ನವಿಲುಗಳ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಹತ್ತೋಣ ಬೆಟ್ಟಗಳ ಮೇಲೆ ಪ್ರಕೃತಿಯೇ ಎಲ್ಲ ನಮಗೆ
Now, we have the students of class 10E on stage to perform the dance on the theme Conserve to Preserve.
चलो मिलके लेते हैं ये कसम, चलो मिलके लेते हैं ये कसम, एक पेड़ तुम लगाओ और एक हम, ये अभियान चलाएंगे घर घर जाके हम, मिल जाए हम साथ अगर उज्जवल होगा अपना कल, उत्तम होगा सारा जहां, श्रेष्ठ बनेगा तन।
the students of 10th E have prepared a mime show. I welcome them to the stage.
Well, what you have just witnessed may have been goofy, but believe me when I say this, it really is no laughing matter. What you have just seen was nothing but some mimes cutting down another mime, considering it as a tree. But imagine if it was an actual tree. Well, over 42 million such trees are cut down every day. Even as we speak, they are being cut down. Let us try to imagine a peaceful world where people, all of them, are aware of the damage cutting trees would bring about. This is quite the beautiful world, right? Now let us show you ever so slightly more beautiful world. What are we trying to do with these acts? Should we not try to show it to the real evil people trying to do these damages? You are all but normal people who clearly don't cut trees every day. So why are we doing this? The answer is simple, to spread awareness. Well, we use this as our two mimes were an attempt to throw light on the darker side of the disaster we are causing on Mother Earth knowingly or unknowingly. May it have been just one tree or what they have saved, but even the small actions pile up for better tomorrow. Your awareness may someday make this small change happen, but always remember this. It will bring about a better future, if not today, then tomorrow. A tomorrow that will appear someday. Thank you.
It was a splendid performance. I'm sure we have been inspired by these ambitious presentations to appreciate and protect the beauty of nature around us. Now, I would like to invite Tanvi to propose the vote of thanks.
Any program is incomplete without expressing gratitude. I would like to thank our principals and vice principals for their constant support and encouragement. I take immense pleasure in thanking our teachers who have put a lot of efforts for making this program a successful one. Lastly, I thank and appreciate all the participants for their enthusiastic performance and each one of the students present here for being a wonderful audience. Thank you, Jai Hind.